LARK'S head knot. It's super simple, super easy. The supplies that you need, you're gonna need some sort of object. I would recommend using something that's straight. So what I'm gonna use is a basic wooden dowel. I picked this up from Walmart for like, I don't know, like $3 for like a 30 pack. So I'd recommend starting there or at a craft store. Next, what you're going to need is obviously some sort of yarn, rope, cord, whatever, to do the actual knot. So I have like thick yarn, I have some thinner yarn, and kind of like an in-between, so like this. So next what you're going to need is some sort of scissors. These are just simple craft scissors that I got from the store. And then after that you're going to need some sort of measuring tools. So you can either use a regular ruler or you can use measuring tape. Measuring tape might be a little bit better if you're doing an actual project where you're going to need to measure out how long you need your cord. So yeah, so let's get into it. Hey guys, so I changed the camera view so that you can see what I'm doing. So again, I'm going to grab a wooden dowel. Okay. And next, I'm going to take my choice of yarn. So I'm going to choose a pretty blue. And I'm not going to measure mine just because I'm using this for the tutorial, but if you need certain measurements, please take your measuring tape out or your ruler and measure it and cut it to the length that you need. So again, grab your scissors, cut it, done. Okay. So what you're going to do is take your yarn and fold it in half, okay? So you're going to take it, take the two ends, put them together, and then make it even, and then there you go, okay? That's the first step. You want to take your yarn and fold it in half, okay? So I'm going to do this facing you guys so it's easier to see, okay? So you're going to take your wooden dowel or whatever object you have, and you're going to take the object and put it on top, okay? Step 2. Okay, now here's step 3. You want to take your little loop that you have, and you want to take the two ends and weave it through the loop, okay? So you guys can see what I'm doing. You take it and you weave it through, okay? So you can see it's weaved through, and then what you're going to do is keep the two ends in your hand, hold your object, and pull. Okay. Now that it's pulled, you want to tighten it up a little bit more. So that's all I do is hold the object and then take the two ends and make sure that they don't overlap and get all mixed up. Okay. And then when you flip it over, you can see that is the LARK'S head knot. Okay guys, so that was the tutorial. I hope it was really helpful. It was super simple. And let me know if you prefer shorter clips or if you like videos like how I did today where I had an intro kind of talking about what you need and then going into the knot. I could do both, or I could do whatever is better for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and the next video I'll be putting out should be how to do the square knot. So again, a very simple knot. So stay tuned. Okay, have a good day.